Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to new video from Technary.com. So we have an interesting tech news for you. Indian brand in portable audio devices, Sound1 has announced a new device into the Indian market. These are Sound1 X90 wireless earphones. Let us have a look at the features of this device. These are having ergonomic design and premium styling. These wireless earphones come with good comfort and micro woofers with rich bass as per the brand. It is able to provide hi-fi audio performance. These are sweat resistant silicone tips which makes these earphones ideal in outdoor usage. It is having neckband design. There are 3 pairs of silicone tips with the device for the right fit for the users. The tips also help in noise cancellation, which helps in isolating the ambient noise from entering ears of the user. These earphones are having ABS housing. It can be a good companion while running, exercises, and also in the gym. It uses Bluetooth version 5.0 for quick pairing and better connectivity. The best part which we liked about these earphones is the battery capacity of 25 hours, which is really amazing. It also has built-in microphone which can be used for calling and give voice commands to Google Assistant or Siri. These come with 1 year of warranty as well, and it has having price of just rupees 890. So this is an introductory price, and if you want to purchase it, do check out the link in the description below. So it is having 25 hours of battery life, which is just amazing as per the brand. And the price is also less than 1000 rupees, less than 900 rupees, which is the introductory price. So if you want to purchase it, do check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to visit our website, which is technary.com. Kindly like this video and also comment on it as well. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and put the bell notifications on for more such interesting tech news and gadget reviews from our side. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.